Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a TikTok video link to an Instagram story. So let's start. First of all, you have to log into your TikTok account and then go to the TikTok homepage, and then you just simply select the video and copy the link of the video. And after that you just go back to the Instagram homepage, and after that hit the your story option at the top, and then click on camera, and here you just simply click a picture, upload a picture, upload a visual from your gallery. It's up to you. So I'm just taking a picture. After taking a picture, you just simply swipe up and you see the link option, so simply select that, and here you just simply paste the link and then click on done. And now you will be able to add a TikTok video link to an Instagram story. I hope this video is beneficial for you. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe our channel.